Hi there everybody and welcome to this vlog. Thank you very much for clicking. My name is Nemo and I want to say thank you very much to my 102 subscribers. I've reached 102 guys and I'm so happy. This is a good growth for me because I started at 0 and now I am at 102. You guys are really helping me grow, and it is because of you that I just want to keep making these videos. If I reach 102, then the rest will just add up. You know what I'm saying? Really guys, thank you very much for your support. Now on this video I am going to try and pack some few clothes. Now tomorrow my husband and I are gonna leave for Lagos, and not the Lagos in Nigeria but Lagos in Portugal. So we're gonna go there for like 8 days, and this is a bit of a challenge for me to pack my clothes, to pack few clothes, because I'm very bad. I'm very bad. I don't have good packing skills, really. I never know what to bring and what not to bring. If I think, okay, I want to bring this, then I will see something else and I'll be like, maybe I should bring both, or the 3 of them, or the 4 of them, so that I have choices. I am allowed to bring only 10 kilos, and that is such a torture. I actually couldn't sleep. I was really thinking about stuff, and I thought really much about this packing today. I thought, let me just start today, because even if we are leaving tomorrow like evening, we will take the evening flight. I thought let's pack it today on Friday, so that tomorrow I'm a bit relaxed, you know. So yeah, we will be arriving on Saturday night. Then I need clothes for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, because then we will be leaving on Sunday again. So it's about 7 full days actually. You know, it's like 5 minutes later and I was standing here, I was looking around, I was thinking, okay, think Nemo, what do you really need? What do you really need? And then I checked the weather, and Faro, where we are going, is supposed to be Faro. Yeah, we are landing in Faro and then we are driving to Lagos. It is supposed to be nice weather. It was supposed to be 18, 17, 19 degrees, which is warmer than here in the Netherlands. But then the weather forecast says that it's going to be a rainy week. So the rain is going to start on Sunday and it's going to end on Saturday, just 1 day before we leave to go back home. And I'm like, okay, so I need to consider that. I thought it was going to be 18 degrees and sunny, so now I'm just gonna put some stuff that I think I could carry here on the ground. Let's start there. Okay, so this is what I have managed to put together. I've tried to put an outfit for every day, even though I know that there are days that I will maybe put on the same clothes twice, especially when it's jeans and it's tights and socks, you know. So like right here, is outfit number 1. That one is for we arrive Saturday. No, we arrive Sunday, so maybe I will put on that one on Sunday. And then Monday, a sweater and a dress and tights. Tuesday, also tights, a sweater and a t-shirt. Wednesday, that colorful shirt, tights inside and that little skirt. And then this is what I'm going to put on when living here. So this is going to be my travel clothes, those right there, and I think I will put them on. I will also put them on when coming back. And I'm gonna put on those, I'm gonna bring those 2 jeans just in case. And I'm also gonna bring those skirts, no, I'm also gonna bring those t-shirts just in case. There are 3, and this right here in the middle I'm also gonna bring just in case. And that one is also an outfit, is a sweater, tights and a t-shirt. And this one is a shirt, tights and a t-shirt again. And this one is jeans, t-shirt and a sweater. I know it seems so boring. You'll be like, where is your where's your little black dress? Okay, and they say that a girl must always have a little black dress to save the day. So in case we decide to go out in the night or just go out really nice for dinner, I'm gonna put on either one of those, or I don't know. That is what I've put together as my outfits for those 8 days that we are away. Now I just need to fold them and then put them in a suitcase. Weigh the suitcase and see if it's 10 kilos. If it's more, then I need to reduce some stuff. I've done my best. Baby?
Ja?
9,6.
Ja, dan moet je nog zeker 1,5 kilo eraf halen, schat.
Nee, waarom?
Je moet toch kleding kopen daar?
So guys, I am finally ready. I started sorting out my clothes yesterday and then I packed them in today. And then my husband came over and he was like, oh, you're bringing too much. I was at 9.5 kilos. I am only allowed to bring 10 kilos, but still that was too much. And he went ahead to, seriously, he went ahead to blackmail me, and he was like, when we are there you will still need to buy stuff, so better not bring all this, better bring 8 kilos so that you can buy some stuff, and you have then so you can buy some stuff worth 2 kilos, and then you have 10 kilos when coming back. I was like, yeah, he's making sense, but still I was fighting it because I cannot agree. I cannot let him know that he's right. But packing went well. I am now ready. Okay, this is my travel outfit. And yeah, oh yeah, something I wanted to share with you guys, if you didn't know this. Things like this are very, very important. These small plastic bottles, because when you're traveling you're allowed to bring only about 100 milliliters of liquid, like your body oil, your face oil, your face cream, and maybe your scrubber and all that. So in these little things in here, you can put your scrubber if you're going for like a week, 2 or 3. In here it fits scrubber for like 3 weeks. And here also you can put your face cream, and in here you can put also something else. I mean, when you're traveling, don't bring a whole bottle of your body oil. Don't do that. Don't bring this whole big bottle. They will take it away from you and they will throw it away. You don't need to do that. So try to invest in things like this. Yeah, you can find them all. You can always find them in the supermarket. No, you can always find them in beauty shops, or yeah, or something like that. Like this one, I bought it at Action. You can always find them there. So please, for the next time, don't allow them to throw away your body cream or your face cream or something like that. Don't allow them to do that. Buy this one, put them in there, and then you're safe. And also you need to put them in a pack like this, like where in these packs or in these bags where you put in the freezer. You can put them in there, and then you're good to go, safe. So yeah, that's it guys for today. That's it with this from this video. We are gonna leave now. Yeah, we were supposed to leave like 8 minutes ago. My husband will come here like, we need to go, we're running late. We're gonna drive to the airport and we will park our car there. I'm gonna start a new video just before we leave. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do so. I will really appreciate that. Share this video, tell other people about me so that they can also subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Thank you guys, and thank you again for 100, more than 100. I think now we are at 104. Thank you for the 104 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for the support, and I will see you guys in the next video.